Hey guys, Joker79 here with another, I want to say trade video, but deep down inside me I know that I can't trade this to you guys because I know it would ruin my reputation as both a trader and an MSIA collector. There are a few that I will trade to you because you can customize with them, but most of them are I can't even feel right selling these. Sandrock Custom Battle Scarred comes with one sword. I don't feel like I can trade him. It would make me seem terrible. What's that on his... Is that even supposed to be... Again, don't feel like I can trade this guy. It would ruin my reputation. If you want him for some strange reason, contact me. Same goes with the Sandrock. Epyon version 2. At least I think it's a version 2. He can transform, but I can't really tell without all of his necessary equipment. But, also comes with Wing Gundam version 2 and Epyon version 2. He also has his shield. So, these two are coming together as a customized lot. I'll take one good figure over those. This guy's actually not that bad. It's Heavy Arms custom. I did have to fix his V antenna. It was broken in half. But also comes with his Gatling guns. And to make up for it being broken, a incomplete Heavy Arms. So there's one lot, two lot, and I guess if you want them, 3 lot, but I don't even feel right offering them. Moving on, we have the not so bad Maxter Gundam. That's only missing that, but again, I'm only giving them up for customization. His leg just came off. They will be more properly packaged than what I got them in. I got all these in a GameStop bag. That's how they sent in the lot. He also comes with his shield. I'm not used to holding my camera this way. He also comes with his shield. And, oh, I totally went over my UC units. You want to know why? Because they gave me 3 hands. 3 UC hands. And I'm guessing, you want to know what? Gundam version 1.5. And I'm guessing Battle Scarred, because that's mostly of this kit. Random G fists. And, let's see. Too big to be Maxter. Too big to even be G Gundams. I mean, Devil Gundams. So, I don't know whose these are. So, I'll throw them in this little lot of parts. You get all the Grizzly Gundams. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. Neros, I don't even feel right giving these guys to you, but you know. Viking Gundam for customization. No other purpose would I have him on this video. These two come together, Battle-Scarred Rose and Battle-Scarred God. And I still don't feel right for this. Because they advertised it in the lot that they actually had their Corelanders. And I knew he was missing a shoulder, but honestly, he was supposed to have more, including his sword. But I got the two main things that I wanted from the lot, and that was Battle-Scarred GP-01 and a weapon from the Walter Gundam, or Royal Gundam, actually. Jester Gundam, which I'm debating keeping and tearing off this nose here and making the Joker Gundam. Yes! Now I just need a Gundam Death Scythe. Because I already have a Butler Gundam. Then we have the Master Gundam with Beamtel. God. I don't even feel like saying this. Comes by himself, so I'm gonna throw him together with this. And only if you want it. If you don't want it, and just want the Master Gundam from customization, I might just throw this into the package. Yeah, it would cost me more to send it, but I don't want him here. Just because, look at that. No, I don't even think that I'm going to be trading this. I just want to show you what somebody did to a Devil Gundam. I mean, just look at his head. As far as I know, a Devil Gundam is not supposed to look like that. Moving on to the Giant Gundam head. Oh God, what did they do to you? He was not this banged up in the picture. Not being traded. There. Settled. It's going in the garbage. Unless somebody wants to save him for some strange reason. I mean, look at the back! I know for certain that these aren't supposed to have black on them. At least I think so. Maybe. Maybe somebody tried to put this through a black wash for a battle-scarred effect and terribly failed. I don't know. I guess if you want to go ahead and make a private message for any of these guys, I'm upset with this lot. Just because it wasn't supposed to look like this. There was actually supposed to be a Grizzly Gundam for this chainsaw. I mean, come on, folks. Really? This is more of a pissed off video than really a trade video part 2. So, bye.